I'm at another site, and I can see three potentials over here. I will start recording. And let's say I want to stop over here. So I'm going to push the acquire button to stop recording, and then go into the analysis mode. This is done by pushing the function key F7 or F8. So this is the manual method of invoking analysis. Here is a triplet. I can do multiple jitter measurements. Again, I will describe this later. So this was my second site. I will push the next key for the third recording site. And now we can repeat this process to acquire the necessary data for analysis.